Hey guys, I got a wonderful dish for your next Super Bowl party, for bowl games, for basketball tournaments. This is a home run for all occasions. You can take care of your vegetarian friends with this. Just don't add the meat, the bacon, but of course we have to add the bacon. We're TNT, okay? So come in with me and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make some jalapeno poppers, baby. Yes, jalapeno poppers. So we're gonna bring you in close, show you how we do this easy recipe. It's not hard. You can do it. And the seasons we'll be using is go over and check out original hickory bacon season from Pit Boss. Go check them out on pitbossgrills.com. I'll put the link in the description below. Order some of this stuff. This is some good stuff. We got jalapenos, of course. We got cream cheese, 2 blocks. 2 blocks of cream cheese right here. We got thin sliced bacon. And we got a Mexican 3 cheese blends, okay? Add 2 packs of cream cheese. And you want to keep these at room temperature. You don't want them cold. You want to keep them at room temperature. You don't want to put them in the microwave, nothing like that, but you want to keep it at room temperature, okay? And to that, I'm going to add all this cheese. Let's see how many ounces of cheese is. 4 cheese blends, 8 ounce. So 8 ounces of cheese. And then to that, we'll add some the bacon rub. So we'll add the bacon rub to that. Hickory bacon to that. And this rub actually smells very smoky. And you want to just incorporate the cheese and sour cream together. So I'm going to mix this, guys, until it incorporates. And we'll bring it back in. Guys, here's our next step. I like to get these jalapenos. I just go straight down the middle. This is what I like to do first. Before I want to call these jalapenos straight down the middle. I love to leave the stems on. That's how I like to do my jalapenos. Some people cut across first, but I like leaving stems on. That's what I like doing. So I know you said that's not a big, but to this recipe, I think it's a huge step to do. And I want to show you guys a secret too. So if you got a jalapeno on a curb like that, you see how it sits like that? You want to cut it where it sits like this, okay? So when you put it on your tray, it's not turning over. So you want it like that. So you basically want to cut it like this. I know it's a little awkward, but that's how you want to cut it, where it can, you can see now, both of them sit up like this, you see? So that's what you need to do. So I'm gonna finish cutting these jalapenos. So what I like to do, I like to just come in with my finger and just get everything right down. I mean, I know some people do it different than when I do it, but that's what I like doing. I just like to come in. You know, if I leave some veins in it, that's more flavor, more wickedness. But and you want to make sure you put on gloves doing this. And to me, it gets a cup, more of a cup look to the jalapeno, so you can add more stuffing to it when you leave the top on it. That's just my opinion. But, you know. So everything is hollowed out. So what I like doing is going with a little spoon like this right here, a baby spoon. And I like putting a lot in. I want to make sure I go all in. So that's how I do mine. Oh, one more. So I forgot one more. So what I do, I go in right here. I just scrape that on out right there. So that's what I do. Put the spoon right there and just let my fingers do a little work. I smooth everything into it out. So I'm gonna show you one more time. I get it in there like so. I just kind of let the spoon do the work. And get in the nooks and crevices. And I get it in like here. If you overstuff them, they're gonna leak like crazy. So that's a waste of stuffing. So you wanna make sure you get them good in the cavity. That's a big one. So, like I say, I want like a little boat kind of. So I'm gonna do the rest off camera. They're all stuffed with the I would call the good stuff. Now it's time to put the better stuff and bacon. So how I do my bacon, guys, is I just go right here and I use a whole strip of bacon. I'm sorry, but the whole strip got to go on for me. The whole strip. And I try to stretch mine out. So I just place on the cookie sheet like that. So that's how I do mine. And I go over just a little. That's what we do. So I'm gonna do a couple more for you, okay? Show you how we do ours, okay? So I roll, I stretch. I try to cover every piece of the jalapeno. And I try to get, and I go just like that. So that's how we looking right there. All right, we're about to go on the pit boss, and we're gonna do this thing up. Peace. All right, I got my pit boss. I'm finna fire it up, guys. I think I'm finna run these at 280 degrees, 300 degrees. I want to say hashtag Pit Boss Nation. What's up, guys out there, my pit boss people? But yeah, this is, like I said, it's a good pellet smoker. So I'm just gonna $350. I'm running at 350, and I'm gonna get this done because I like the bacon to be crispy, and I like the jalapenos to be wilted down. So, man, I love it. So that's how I'm gonna do this. I'm doing it 350. I'm gonna put these up, put the jalapenos on the Pit Boss smoker. Okay, so the Pit Boss is up to temp, not up to temp. Excuse me, but the Pit Boss is smoking. I want to get all the smoke I can get. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in here. And the reason why I put them on a different rack is because I don't want to, only time I want to move these is when they're done. So the bacon is going to be delicious. So guys, I think I'm just going to let them go for an hour. And they should be done at 350, okay? I want them nice and crispy, but I don't want them burnt. Alright guys, we'll bring you back in. Alright guys, I want to show you something. I hope you can see that through the glass. You see the rendering of the bacon, and you see the drips going into the water pan. And guys, this is the temperature. It's at 345. I gotta say at 350. And the Pit Boss is holding up good temperature. So I just wanted to show you how the bacon is rendering. And I like this where you can watch what you're cooking. I like this mirror because it's easy to clean and you get to see what's going on. So you can easily catch fires in that type of situation if you have any issues. You can catch it with the window. So I like the window. So it can be it's made this to keep it clean, but it's pretty easy. So yep, as you can see, jalapenos come along pretty good. All right, guys, we're done. They look amazing. I know they're gonna taste amazing. And I got a little blue cheese dressing. I think I'm gonna go in for a taste test, okay? So we're gonna zoom out and we'll have a taste test. I'm ready. Guys, this is your boy, TNT Barbecue. Hey, we did it. Man, these jalapeno poppers look outstanding. And I tell you what, man, I'm finna go in for a taste test and let you know what we laying down. Boom. So, look at that, guys. Crispy bacon. I ain't gonna dip it just yet because I want to see how hot it is. Oh yeah. Got some seeds, I got some veins. Man, I'm telling you, I'm glad I used all that bacon on these jalapenos. They're big, they're juicy, they're full of spice. I'm loving this. So next time you have a Super Bowl party or you just want something that's nice and good and out of the ordinary, fix yourself a plate of these jalapeno poppers. They're showstoppers. Guys, I want y'all to comment, subscribe, and holler at your boy TNT Barbecue. And remember, guys, God bless you and God bless America. And look, check it out, guys. Check out my other videos. They're right here. On this side over here, check it out, guys, and smash that bell so you can pick the videos that come out here all the time. I'm going to be putting videos out. I'm going to be in the kitchen cooking. So God bless you and God bless America. We out of here.